How to make this combine and blend photos in Canva. First of all, I will go to the upload section and upload my photo. You can upload any photo now. I will adjust it by clicking on Set as Image Background. Then, I will go to Elements and search for Gradient. Next, I will go to Graphics, choose one, and adjust it like this, and now listen carefully. Duplicate it and drag it to the left. And repeat this a few more times. Yeah, like that. Now, I will add a new page, search in Elements for Sunny Beach, and then go to Photos. I'm selecting this one and adjusting it as the background. Yeah, like that. Now, I will go back to the first photo, select all these gradients, and group them like this. Then, I will copy them, go to the beach photo, paste them, and adjust them. Yeah, perfect. After that, I will go to the share button and download both images one by one. Like that. Now, I will add a new page and go to the upload section. First, I will upload the man picture, and then I will upload the beach picture. Now let's adjust them. Now, I will go to transparency and decrease the transparency to 50, yeah, like that. Yeah, perfect. Now, I will go to the share button and download it as a PNG file. After that, I will add a new page, go to the upload section, and upload our previous design. Now, click on Edit Image and then go to Adjustments. After that, I will decrease its brightness. Yeah, like that. Then, I will increase its contrast, and also make some adjustments in highlights. Yeah, just the highlights like that. I will increase its saturation, and look, it's looking perfect. In the end, I will also increase its vibrance. Yeah, perfect like that. Okay, our work is done. Now, I will go to the share button and download it as a PNG file. Here is our final design. If you like my video, then like, subscribe, and share this design with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye-bye.